And hello people of YouTube, it's me, Bolt, and I'm hacking, I'm hacking Box 13's channel right now. Yep, I'm making my own video, and she doesn't even know about it. So, yeah. Oh, this video is specifically to tell you guys my status update. My relationship status update, you know, my relationship status. Yeah. Well, I'm dating somebody. I'm taken, bro. Yeah. My first girlfriend, actually, her name is Cleo. She's actually here right now. Hi, guys. I'm Cleo, and yeah, I'm dating Bolt. It's like the best thing ever. Exactly. It's so awesome. So, yeah, that's my relationship status. I'm so happy with it. So, we're a happy couple. Yep. Okay, well, I'm gonna go finish making the eggs or whatever. Okay. She makes the most, best eggs ever. Yeah. Ow. Ooh. Anyways. Yeah. Just wanted to tell you guys that. Oop, you focus. Yeah. So. Peace.